Hi everybody, everything okay? Today I will tell you a little bit about me and my life. My full name is José Guilherme Carvalho, but you can call me Gui. I am 36 years old and my birthday is on July 13th. I was born in Jaú, São Paulo, but I lived a big part of my life in Avaré, São Paulo. I'm studying chemical engineer at UFSCar, one of the most important universities in Brazil. I finished it in this semester. Nowadays, I live in Carvalho, São Paulo, because I'm interned at Canal. I work at cost area. Before I am cost intern, I was a waiter. It was a big experience of my life. I love playing sports. I already practice all kinds of things. Swim, bicycle, run, but at the moment I adore to practice CrossFit and am very good in it. I love cooking too, and I like new challenges. I'm freaking dedicated. I wake up early and work hard every day, but sometimes I'm shy. Although I'm humble and smart, I'm a little bit anxious. I don't have a big family. Today is just my mom and me. Unfortunately, I lost my dad and my brother last year in 2017. My mom lives in Avaré, São Paulo, and I visit her always that I can. As I mentioned, I love new challenges, new experiences, to know new people in new countries. I hope to be a famous engineer and manager. For more information, contact me by email. See ya!